Sai amama kwaba adeba Adom TV Badwam so and I'm going to go na be ready some day who can see man sembrem din edinya me ba Bernard padibo twasra kese en koma Sergio Manu cho me proud producer na no pay asra kese kopa so en koma bed power boys go do eguso diska boys go so diska so boys diska sana and next year Tuesday and Bernard fantastic morning obi diska the cameraman ojina ha no pe wasre sa o si nyame ba ye we say chairman then e first chairman benyeska kakra egu no bottom now they are sorting boys out bibia better from nadia into obia set into back power and we proud producer na no pay in tempa financial see if you be man so na mbpm e wo o man kan na now than we need the trade Spanish La Liga match back where to dwa na enye fedia grow Villarreal eche Celta Vigo e born kamiens kanan a otimu miensa na match ne mo dem papa last minute ha yen hwese na highlights no 90+10 I take a branch and Dean I did Daniel Paredo magic 90+10 minutes and now match and over 5.5 Usika and now Thomas Echo over 4.5 into Thomas Ikano Thomas Ikano Ebruja no pay untimindi into no over 5.5 there and Usika there bro udi gunsuma tusa na matches beto Jan Mallorca and Sevilla at the Bepem Sounds na Rayo Vallecano and FC Barcelona we third matches yes and run a chance here and it was so into dan we need the church pon so Villarreal about 3 matches almost 7 points Celta Vigo that's no also it was 6 points and Barcelona it also means it was 6 points about 2 matches into Villarreal kwano about 3 matches into and was 7 points now if you Real Madrid it was Real Madrid about 2 matches or 4 points into no kakra and akoko edebe no musu na ni fan chance fufura ni weni kire Italian Serie A so na matches mi ne to dwa na no so mu ye den papa Hellas Verona etra ho ema Juventus e bone kamiensa wonti mensi Madabraka san so na Cagliari any como match no 1-1 PM e the Italian Serie A na oda weni e the chomo table na enye fidi agro ye Juventus 2 out of 2 amabo yes almost 6 points so na Inter Milan 4 points out of 2 matches and better but Eden we show AC Milan one first 2 matches almost 1 pointer nenye fida Torino other so miensa also 4 points in the Italian Serie A this season 1 3 year emobeye din ye papa na last season yakoye no na ye hwese na this season so be yenda ni emfa nchire fie ni hwese sama ikoso e wo man Ghana the 5th of September and the AFCON qualifier at the best chess so Ghana and Angola and the pem so the Baba Yara Sports Stadium na hu hia se Baba Yara Sports Stadium no ebe ye bibia be fine wo your pitch your dressing rooms your stands bibia ebe fine and no Adom so Amakaf ede so bo and some the message Abre Ghana Football Association say hey mo pitch ni hia ya ba inspection say ready a mama ye hu na we enam so ma Sergio Manu ekopie mo Baba Yara Sports Stadium e de hu popoye ebreyen we pram yes and the conference delegate congress na toja we Ghana football delegate nyina we football owner and as a club administrator wo ho 146 delegate and ekopie mo pram na eno na dwumede nyina ahase eno ade na fan for fan obia hwe bebi obeda eno GFA president nankasa eda pram honom nti other delegate nyina wo so oda ho an wo so oda ho empopoye ena Sergio Manu ede bre pram na nana meguso Canada no we near the Blasters of Ghana nsema wo say ekopie me ne Angola match na Baba Yara Sports Stadium entie se na Sergio Manu ede mai eno ene nsema ekopie mo de Baba Yara Sports Stadium we need the HD besibia no yemfa enkamoye that's where national issues so that we need to check Colombia the Black Princesses of Ghana mo eno German Ghana name than a 20 Women's World Cup yes na and omo the friendly match back we pem so omo South Korea a friendly match omo the boabo mo nyame advance kwesi ada 2nd of September ya no mo bie dwumede na no yes 2nd September omo Australia and the first match na be pem so na enye fedi agro ye wi na New Zealand na boy say we are na Japan sa ye group we more than a feed ye say den you see Bazigi and then by one of catch say e den group stages a feed your mepam and ya feed ye den metra into ye bompa ya mo group E into ye bompa ya na emfa empire boni bi antan which ni enhwense na and so be koyen den ni emfa chance enfufu dan we ni the CAF Champions League yes CAF Champions League Samates and mo German Ghana name na no membrane da no and copy mo be man so Cameroon winning away yes Samates winning away almost about my Ghana almost have winning na nye fedi are going to aggregate na koye 2-0 na no enam so coach Nuruddin Abdul Eddie Atuja say hey omani abre sisi ade omawie first hurdle aka second hurdle no yes yenda any fanchon say fufu dan we need to try puti national team yes players are sebi obi wa ne nan ba ko ani ho ne nan ba ko ho ebi ana ne saba ko ho ne saba ku ni ho yes omo no ye dey puti national team then the Ghana or from the Black Challenge na enche enom dan we ni che obi man so Egypt ekoje the Africa Cup of Nations and puti side no see on stress so na nya fedi agromo bo Morocco na nya ahonke kakra brate no bobo and puti for no CSM bobo dey omukuta stick no na so mo dey boa chairman obibi abeto so na omuwie na so mo allowances ni winning bonus bi akim and the flag bearer also the vice president of the Republic of Ghana Dr. Mahmoud Baumia that told you say Ghana for two abama no pa na say obaye mampehia sansemo no obehwehwem de ntia abepemene ntia ka no enfama the Black Challenge.
The national amputee team who are owed some allowances, so I'll talk to the sports minister here to get the facts on the issue, and if that is the case, I will try to expedite their payment. So I'll when I leave here, I'm going to raise that issue. There is also the issue of 6 new stadia that and only one of the existing 5 is being maintained. I think that is a very good question. One of the problems we have is the lack of maintenance of our pitches. I met with the Black Stars in Kumasi before their last game there, and when we met, the coach and the players were very clear that what they really needed, and this is why I've put it in our manifesto, was an international standard pitch. You know, that the pitches that we have are difficult to play on, and we needed international standard pitches. So, in fact, in the manifesto, we need to do it. And I believe that we need professional management in terms of the maintenance of these pitches. And we need to train people and also bring in the people with the knowledge. And so we are going to do that, because we just build the pitches and very little makes looking at the
Republic of Ghana Mahmoud Baumia and Kanamotia no see Jumedi no Ashasi intino we are na se Ghana first to abama na puti for the obeso to mo out intino o see your pitches so enhweda anye so na Thomas Step atembre bi o shi o mo ka kire mo se ebe ya anka mo si stadium ya pitch nyina ye man na anka abrofo ne ba ana se ye players o mo amono ne mbo mo bobo ana se o mo nkire mo ye players nso the Ghana Premier League, the Division 1, the Women's Premier League omo nyina mo bobo a anka bibi abe fine, but as ye pitches no ya na akadwam na no and flag bearer also the vice president Dr. Mahmoud Baumia there to just say oh e mo manifesto no e dey ambenya Ghana there good pitches there dey e benya bi ebenye bi ntino Ghana for any manifesto Dr. Mahmoud Baumia de Frankatuni the new patriotic party editu Ghana egusu ewo agudie nsem no na odani we ne chere Togo alome ho ana akra so folk for egusu the pre-season in phase 2 na share so na aso folk for the series of friendly match friendly matches to Ghana omo patches nyame Adom omo ne semese yes samese FC omo Togo omo the friendly match back where pem so into the enye fede oganyame adma sa match na beto dwa ochina de beto dwa bia no ye ni so edi echi asofo de ni diomochi ye papa o Togo on me de beto dwa bia no ye fine kam na dan we ni check Cape Coast so akomase Asante Kotoko yes the Metemba otumfo nananom omo so Cape Coast omo the phase 2 of the pre-season e to dwa na enche no omo ne Ho United e ko ball friendly match back pre-season friendly match na omo bon 1-1 intino coach Prosper na the Ogum and any players in the reactors who say pre-season the omo fanya fidi agrokra sebi a season ni shasia me be Kumasi Asante Kotoko has to folk the likes of in Swatrema omo work CAF Confederations as na Samates CAF Champions League mu nyina no omo purchase feed here Bechem United so team ebse Bechem United na Gaka top 4 no mo win here nti omo so mani abre as na Nations FC no di second Gaka top 4 no mo so mani abre nti afi Ghana Premier League e sha se nyame adoma the 6th to the 9th of September 6th to the 9th of September na the Ghana Premier League na sha se nti bibia wo bia no e was so share den I was so jina wona so na league ne sha se bibia wo bia wo man Ghana no so support Heart of Lions so support Bechem United Vision FC when team be na support omo I was so copy mo honum ho United no more Division 1 nti no mo na kotokoni omo boy nti no o hwe mo na Division 1 na wakọ mo honum nti no afi Ghana Premier League ne de emo be de na the two of the Congress GFA Congress na pram na ye ni ediechi papa de beto dwobia nyame ya adom ochina ye fan kame mo na eno mo shigina ye bia wo football mo na na delegate na wo so mo kasa e wo se wo kasa yesi wan kasa oti ho a ye yiwo yibone nti ene no mon kasa de hia mo no mon kan se ye sponsorship na mo hia se mo so mo hia bus se mo hia football se mo hia den mon kan ene mon kan ye pamocho mon kan na supporters ne tie chi hwemo Kumase Asante Kotoko ena feso haso folk mo ena mo ya kukudam mon kasa mo kwa brochira okọ bebi ti say Spanish and say Spain Real Madrid ne Barcelona kasa obia etie nti expect se Kumase Asante Kotoko ena haso folk ene Congress no mo paying for no yesere mo mon kasa ema supporters na bibia enkoso na ha ene braba me ho kwan na me de akokensem na nsem na esi aseda kese enkoma bet power ene matches no guso ekoso na Champions League qualification guso ekoso ai ko bet power matches ni gu hot chapo obedi na sikaba botom cameraman say na de edin on the last be say guso say na no di ye no on the last be guso Kelvin so say osade in the last be guso because eno answer ba kuma ba ku bukemu ti Kelvin say and on the last be guso nti na de bet power na de chairman ni nyina be di normal sort boys out na say bibia koso na aseda kese enso enkoma St Phillips yes St Phillips Ewo Circle na ono ene shementade de bia aseda kese enkoma say choma no cho me proud producer my dean Adom me Bernard Padibotwe health it at